Today we will be testing the volume multi-time frame indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the volume multi-time frame indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 549 indicators, with 233 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the volume multi-time frame indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically what we are looking for are the bars here and the coloration of the bars. When we get the red bar, when we get a red bar, then that is going to be a signal to go short. When we get a green bar, then that is going to be a signal to go long. And so that's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal that we picked up was a short right here. We got stopped out on that one almost immediately after a couple bars when it flips back to a long signal. And then that one gets stopped out after a couple bars as it flips to a short. That does get us to take profit on that short as price action pushes down, hitting our take profit there. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we picked up a long right here. It gets stopped out immediately on the next bar as it goes to a short, picks up a short signal, and then that one gets stopped out after a couple candles as we pick up this long signal right here. Price action pushes up pretty nicely there, getting us to take profit on that one. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so we pick up a long right here. That one gets stopped out as we pick up a short on the very next bar. Price action pushes down nicely on that one, getting us to take profit. Then we pick up a long right here. This one gets to take profit as price action pushes up on that one. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. There and there. All right, let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get out of this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So we have 31 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So barely misses that 60% criteria that we was looking for. Seemed a little bit twitchy. It was giving a lot of signals. I mean, it gave 31 signals, which is a good amount of signals within 1 year's time, but it wasn't doing so very accurately. It would give a couple of false signals before it would then finally get a signal in the right direction, and it did that multiple times. And so all in all, not the greatest of indicators. I'm sure it could be used in other ways. Maybe there's another way that we could test this. I'm not really sure. Play around with it a little bit in my free time. But for now, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.